Do you desire to increase your financial wealth by trading on the stock market? If the answer is yes, then it's high time you equip yourself with the most advanced and up-to-date tools. Today, we'll delve into a selection of platforms that offer a plethora of features from technical analysis, trend detection to robo-advising and real-time trading capabilities. These platforms cater to a wide spectrum of stock trading needs and experience levels. First up is Trendspider. This platform is a go-to for charts and technical analysis, offering a multitude of charting options, automated trend lines, heat maps, and speedy analysis. This platform is great for professional use, but new users might find it a tad complex. Next, we have Trade Ideas. This platform is a haven for seasoned traders, offering intense backtesting, exit and entry signals, and customization options. It's especially strong in stocks and options, and is supported in both US and Canadian markets. Moving on, we have Tickeron. This platform provides constant information and reliable advice from experts, making it effective for both swing and day trading in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Black Box Stocks is another user-friendly trading software with real-time alerts, a pre-market scanner, and top trader insights. It offers a straightforward approach to trading, making it a go-to for many traders. Now let's talk about Charles Schwab. Known for their intelligent investing services, Charles Schwab uses AI for risk mitigation and profit maximization. It's suitable for larger and more complex portfolios. Betterment is a versatile financial management app with an intuitive interface and excellent tax features. It uses AI technology to tailor investments based on user profiles. VectorVest uses a large data set and powerful algorithms to simplify and automate investing. This platform is ideal for active investors who prefer data-driven recommendations. And lastly, we have Wealthbase. While it's a fantasy stock trading game and not suitable for actual investing, it provides an engaging and educational experience, great for learning how to trade without the risk. Remember, your choice of platform should be based on your individual investment goals, experience level, and the specific features you value most in a stock trading tool. Equip yourself with the right tools, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Happy trading! Thanks for watching, everyone. For related resources, check out the clickable links in the description below. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next one.